Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to configure MX, SPF, and DKIM for a Cloudflare domain. Now you might be wondering why configuring MX, SPF, and DKIM records is crucial for your Cloudflare domain. Well, these records play a significant role in ensuring the security and deliverability of your emails. If you've ever faced issues with your emails landing in spam folders or not being delivered, setting up these records can be a game changer. They help verify the identity of your emails, protect your domain from being used for email spoofing, and ensure that your messages reach the intended recipients. So, let's dive into how you can set this up on your Cloudflare domain. First things first, we're going to walk through the process of logging into your Cloudflare account. Make sure you have your administrative credentials at hand. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard. Here, on the left-hand panel of your screen, you will see several options. You need to click on either Domains or Domain Registration, or even websites, depending on where you have your domain registered. For this tutorial, we'll be using the website section because that's where I have a site registered. When you click on websites, Cloudflare will display a list of all the websites you have registered under your account. Navigate through this list and select the website for which you want to configure the MX, SPF, and DKIM records. Once you've selected the correct site, the next step is to go to the DNS tab. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the DNS section, you will see two primary options, Records and Settings. We are interested in Records because this is where you can add and manage DNS records. Right away, you will notice an option that prompts you to add an MX record for your root domain. MX records are essential for directing email traffic to your email server, ensuring that emails reach your domain or website addresses. But we're not stopping there. You'll also want to set up SPF, DKIM, or DMARC records to enhance your domain's email security. These records help prevent email spoofing, which is when someone sends emails pretending to be you. Click on the provided link to begin the setup process. Cloudflare will guide you through several steps, including configuring TXT files, which are crucial for SPF and DKIM settings. You might also encounter an option to add a reporting email address. This can be any address you prefer, such as an HR email. However, this step is optional, so you can skip it if you like. Once you've filled in the necessary details, simply hit Submit, and voila! You have successfully added those vital records to your domain or website. Hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how to configure MX, SPF, and DKIM for a Cloudflare domain quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to configure MX, SPF, and DKIM for a Cloudflare domain, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.